Hello, good morning. Today is my last day in Qatar. Now I am just taking my chai. Right now, it's too much cold. Yes, during December, here in Qatar is cold season. The weather is good. Now almost 9 o'clock in the morning, but now my flight schedule is around 8 o'clock at night. But I will go to the airport at around 12 o'clock. After I take my lunch here in our so, after I finish my dinner lunch, we will go to the airport. I'm just already waiting there, waiting for the time before of my flight. Now, actually, my emotion right now is a combination of happiness and sad. Happiness because I will see again my family. I will go to the Philippines. We will celebrate the Christmas and New Year together. And also I feel sad because I'm jobless now. I am I have no more job, but it's okay because I know it is only temporary. Because after 1 or 2 months, I believe that I will have a job again in local or abroad. Hopefully, but I will take another safety training for improvement myself. Because I learned so much in this project. I realized that my knowledge is not enough being a safety officer, but a good thing, I'm willing to learn. I motivate myself to learn new things because in reality, in actual side, I face too much problem, too much what do you call this one? Too much unexpected things. You don't uh, you don't know how to handle. But because of experience and small time experience in Qatar, I will manage. Now I can manage now. I communicate with different kinds of people here. Bangla, Indian, Pakistani, Qatari, in working in Qatar, too much help, too much it helped me a lot, too much. I was very thankful that I have opportunity to work here in Qatar, even as short term only. But I'm very thankful that I have experience like this. So this is it. I made it. First, I have a lack of self-confidence that I cannot do it working abroad as a safety officer. But now, I'm done. My experience, I'm very enjoying it. Hopefully, I will come back here in Qatar. But first thing I will do in the Philippines, I will take some advanced training again to better improve my communication skills, especially in different nationality. Yes, I need to improve my communication skills. That's why I'm making this video in English language to improve myself to communicate in English. I I believe that I will improve it as soon as possible. So I will use it in my next project. Hopefully. Thank you very much for the opportunity, for the experience in Qatar working as a safety officer. I really enjoy it. Thank you very much.